At von Ardenne, we have a vision: autonomous coating processes for our coating systems. With the process suite of 𝗣𝗐𝗣𝗍 software solutions, we provide you with the next steps on the way to automated and autonomous coating. The process suite is a set of software modules that increases the operation usability of the machine. By that, it will decrease the risk of operation failures or inefficiencies by human operators. And it ensures the best practice operation of our coating machines. Let's take a closer look. How does the interaction of the different software modules work in complex production processes? The workflow at the machine, starting with ramp up to production, ramp down and maintenance, describes many different machine states. 𝗣𝗐𝗣𝗍 software products are designed to support the operator during these processes. One of these products takes over complete task sequences to optimize production processes and to increase the product yield and quality. This product is the Smart Operator. It is the basis for achieving our vision. Why? Because it covers two main functions that will allow completely automated processes. First, it helps to set up routines in the coating process, for example, standardized ramp-ups or downs, or if you want to prepare your machine for maintenance. The Smart Operator will do every step in an automated way that an operator must do manually. The software turns on or off certain components, which is also based on certain pre- and post conditions. By this, it can take over complete workflows in the process. In addition, the second function covers the integration of external or internal software. This is also supported by the Smart Operator. It can trigger and activate other programs to come into play or to stop them, also based on certain conditions. For example, once the ramp-up is done and the production has started running, the Smart Operator triggers the product stabilization tool. Based on the optical measurement values from your in-situ or ex-situ system, the software calculates the current layer thickness and uniformity for a complete layer stack. This is then compared to an optical model. In the end, the software calculates all the necessary adjustments in terms of gas, power, and magnetic field settings. And then, these changes are executed automatically in the PLC of the machine. And this is not just done once, but 24/7. The outcome is a product with an excellent product quality and less waste of material. On top of that, you can gain additional time for production and so increase your yield. Sometimes our coating processes are even more complex. For instance, during reactive sputter processes for silicon nitride, tin oxide, or zinc stannate. For this case, we provide our tipping point determination and application. This is a software that detects and executes tipping points automatically. It helps to adjust the reactive gas flow for uncontrolled reactive sputtering processes. And it prevents the unstable processes from turning over this tipping point and keeps them from creating waste. The aim is to find the best working point in the process. So on the one hand, we want to avoid this tipping over. And on the other hand, we want to either increase the sputter rate and the productivity tremendously, or we want to save energy. Both modules interact with the gas and power settings of the machine and communicate and coordinate with each other. In order to feel safer what the operator or the automation tools are doing, the process monitor keeps an eye on all relevant process parameters for warning and alarm limits. And it will notify the responsible person, for instance, with a loud signal or an email. The campaign for product 1 is done. So let's switch to product 2. The ERP system may send a trigger to the smart operator, which takes over again and prepares the machine and its components to get ready for production of product 2. It may also prompt external software to proceed with the tasks. After every completed campaign, the machine needs to be maintained regularly. Therefore, the smart operator takes over again. It loads the saved standard routines from the library to execute the ramp down and vent the machine to prepare it for a checkup. Once the machine is ready for maintenance, von ARDENNE provides various digital services and software modules to support you during the maintenance as well. So get in touch with us and learn more. Do you also struggle with these challenges? Then let's get started. Pick one software product first and gain some experience. Later on, you can extend functionalities based on our modular approach to build up complete digital workflows step by step. And this is available for our new coaters, but also for older machines.
Excuse me, I don't have a von ARDENNE coder.
You don't have a von ARDENNE coder? Don't worry, talk to us. We will find a solution.